Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open FaceTime and place the call, then make sure the front camera is active. This matters because effects map to your face. Once connected, tap the screen to show controls and look for the effects icon, tap it. You do this first so the emoji and stickers appear layered on your live video. This avoids restarting the call later. If you plan to use Memoji, pick one now so it's ready when you add emoji overlays. Now add the emoji. Open Effects, then choose Stickers or Emoji. Swipe to browse choices. Tap an emoji to place it, then drag it onto your face or anywhere on the screen. Pinch to resize and rotate for a natural fit. If you select Memoji or Animoji, it will track your expressions automatically, so the emoji reacts as you talk. Make sure to position elements away from crucial visuals. Once placed, they remain until finish by checking placement and making small tweaks. Pinch to scale, drag to lock, then tap outside to continue the call. If you want a snapshot, use the live photo button during the call to save a frame with the emoji applied. If an emoji won't stick or appears laggy, switch to the back camera briefly or close background apps to free CPU and GPU. This often resolves performance issues. Finally, remove any sticker by tapping it and choosing Delete so nothing obstructs your view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.